Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw Ben, so let's get started. First, we will draw its head. Like an onion. Then we will draw its body and leg. The right side too, the body and leg. And now we will draw the left hand slowly. And the right hand. Now we can draw a straight line in the middle. And draw the eye. S on the left and O on the right. And then a mouth, a straight line. And now we have finished drawing Ben. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.